Hello children, today we are going to learn chapter 13, that is symmetry, patterns, nets and maps. First let me explain you about symmetry and reflection.
An image of a heart. Can you fold it exactly halfway so that its two halves are exactly similar, or one half completely covers the other half? Let's try. Here we are folding it. Yeah, it completely covers the other half. And when you can fold a shape in half and one half exactly covers the other half, we can say that the shape is symmetrical. And the fold line is the line of symmetry. So, this shape is a symmetrical shape. And this line of fold that divides the shape into two similar halves is the line of symmetry. Now, let's try this with another figure.
Reflection. In a symmetrical shape, if a mirror is kept along the line of symmetry, one half is a reflection of the other half. Now you can see a shape of a flower over here, and if I put a mirror over here on the symmetrical line, what you can see the next half of the flower in the mirror. So this is the reflection of this flower. So I can draw the same. After removing the mirror, you can draw a flower over here. So it is the reflection shape of this figure. Half turn. It means, let me explain you through this shape. This is the shape of a triangle and I have put one dot over there. If I have to take a rotation of half, if I have to take a half turn, so it means that I have to go from here to here. If I move this, so after a half turn it will look like this, the shape will look like this. It means the dot comes down. So this is the half turn. First the dot was here, this is, and then this come to this side. This is the half turn clockwise. And let's come to the first position, initial position. Now if I say that I have to take a half turn anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise means like this. So I will turn this shape like this. It will go like this. So the direction will come to this side. This is anti-clockwise movement. Fine, come to the initial point. If I say quarter turn, then this will come like this. Fine. Then again, this is one more quarter turn.
Go on. See this shape. This is a square. Trace the outline on a sheet of paper. Now keep the shape on this outline and give half a turn to this. See if the shape fits its outline. What do you notice? Yes, the shape remains the same. Now see this shape. Trace the outline on a sheet of paper. Now keep the shape on this outline and give half a turn to this. See if the shape fits its outline. What do you notice? Yes, the shape remains the same. Now see this shape. Trace the outline on a sheet of paper. Now keep the shape on this outline. Give half a turn to this shape. What do you see? Is it the same shape? Well, you'll realize that no. After half a turn, the shape has changed. Similarly, we'll try for the remaining shapes whether they look same after half a turn or not. Let's make a table with column shape. Shape after half a turn. Same or not same? Now see this shape. Shape after half a turn. Same. See this shape. Shape after half a turn. Same. Now see this shape. Shape after half a turn. Not same. See this shape. Shape after half a turn. Same.
Now let me explain you about the quarter turn. Here I have drawn one clock and you can see the clock is divided in 4 equal parts. Each part is 1/4, means quarter. Now if I move this arrow to the clockwise here, so it means that I'm going clockwise, I'm taking the clockwise turn. Fine, let's come to the whole. Now if I go in the opposite direction like this, so it means that I'm moving the arrow in the anti-clockwise position. Now if I say let me turn the arrow into a quarter turn, that is a clockwise, so I will move this to here. That means clockwise and it's a 1/4 turn. This will be the first quarter turn, then this will be the second quarter turn, third quarter turn and the fourth quarter turn. Now if I say move the arrow to a half turn clockwise, so half turn means I will come from this position to this position, from here till here. So this is a half turn. Now if I say move, take the arrow to the initial position. Now if I say a half turn anti-clockwise, so anti-clockwise half turn means you will go from here till here. This is anti-clockwise. So this is a anti-clockwise half turn. Let's come to the initial position. Now if I say a quarter turn anti-clockwise, so it will go from here till here. Fine. So this is anti-clockwise and this is clockwise. It will be very clear to you. Just go through the video again and see it very carefully. Ask your question in the comment box. Thank you and bye.